What is going on YouTube? Tom here. I know, this is a little bit on the awkward side for a vlog. Me simply in my garage, and there goes my lights. I know, y'all are probably saying, what the hell, man? Why are you filming in your car in your garage instead of actually outside? Well, I just got the car detailed, and it's looking like it's about to rain outside, but I still wanted to film today. Though the bad news is, I did officially get the first scratch on the car. Little moment of silence. And it's pretty damn deep, too, which is what really pisses me off. We think somebody with a ring possibly walked by the car and scratched it. It's pretty deep, and unfortunately, the only way to truly fix it is to just go ahead and repaint the quarter panel. Unfortunately, that's going to cost too much money, more money than it's really worth, over one little scratch. And on top of that, it's a driver's car. I'm not worried about having the best show car possible. At the end of the day, I want to drive my car, I want to enjoy it, not worry about it. So, hurts, but at the same time, screw it. But, today I wanted to talk about some important Mustang news. The rumored V6 twin-turbo all-wheel drive Mustang. Now, I'll go ahead and say this, the V6 twin-turbo part, that's purely clickbait. I admit that one, but think about it. It could be possible for Ford to do. Ford, honestly, might even be better off doing a turbo. But the new rumor recently is that there is going to be an all-wheel drive Mustang for, it's said to be the S650 generation, when this alleged S650 finally comes out. So what does that mean? That's basically Ford trying to compete more with the Dodge Challenger GT, which, as you know, is available with all-wheel drive and a V6. Now, it's intended to sell better for people in northern states, as opposed to, here where I live in Florida, where in the south, where rear-wheel drive and summer-only tires. Realistically, I could daily drive this car in Florida, and I wouldn't have a problem. But up north, of course, you have wintertime, so a lot of people with Mustangs, they're either taking a chance by dailying a rear-wheel drive car in the winter, or, they simply don't daily it. They have two cars, and the problem there is that costs money. So it's clear to me what Ford's trying to do. They're trying to broaden the appeal even more of the Mustang itself. Camera's fogging up. If I talk in the direction of the camera, it looks like it's going to fog up more. Maybe do something like this. But that to me is significant in this alleged V6 twin turbo that people are hinting to, but have not actually said is going to be a thing or not. My opinion, it could be a thing, but I doubt, because the V8 fanboys would all write into Ford, and before you know it, a V6 all-wheel drive Ford would probably be called the Probe 2. I doubt Ford would ever replace this V8. I love my Coyote too much. So, definitely something to think about. And of course, the other big news is, and it's been kind of discussed, and some people are disappointed with it, is the new Shelby specs may have been leaked. I say may, because I'm not someone who jumps on everything I read online and says, oh no, this is true, this is the way it happens. No, we don't know yet. But it's a little bit of disappointing news on that car. It's going to possibly be 4,200 pounds. So that's pretty damn heavy. It's going to be limited to 190 miles per hour. And it's only got 720 horsepower. Now, as far as the horsepower goes, I just want to make some commentary on that. 720 is a lot. That's more than you'll ever use on the street. It's still pretty damn fast. As far as the weight, still lighter than a Hellcat. And top speed, once again, when do we ever hit that top speed? So, I'm waiting to see some real numbers from it, because the weight is the only thing that truly disappoints me, since it'll probably limit the handling of the car. Although, I do see that making it just fine as a drag car. Now, the big question is this Shelby going to get the 10-speed? Because if that's with a manual, that's disappointing that it weighs that much. Although, what we've seen with the GT is that a 10R80 and an MT82 18 GT actually weigh the same. It's like maybe 20-pound difference. So realistically speaking, they're getting to the point where automatics are lighter, the manuals are heavier, so it's like superiority to the automatic. We still have yet to see, is the car actually going to get an automatic? My hopes are, if it ever is going to compete with the Hellcat, it better get an automatic. That's annoying me a little bit. But, so yeah. Important Mustang news. My old girl's not going anywhere anytime soon. Scratch or no scratch, I'm still going to enjoy the hell out of this car. Just kind of, it still annoys me. I'm still sad about it. I'm going to be mad for a little bit. Don't worry, I'll get over it. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you thought about all this Mustang news. Did y'all enjoy it? Definitely let me know, because I want to make... I'm just as anxious about some of this new Mustang news as you all are, because let's say I don't end up keeping this car forever. If I do decide to do like a street speed and I decide to flip it in a couple years, S650 might end up replacing this car, so that, to me, is significant information. So I know we don't know everything about this S650 yet. And also the Shelby, that definitely is something I might get eventually. So, do let me know what y'all think about those cars. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Because this weekend, I am going to be going to another Cars and Coffee event. I'm excited. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, I will be at the Garage 1 Rise and Shine Cars and Coffee. So if y'all want to come say hello. I know some people are going to be like, well, what are you acting like you're a big YouTuber now? Okay, come on, people. I've been recognized already. Mostly by people I've talked to online, so it's not like I've not been recognized in the wild. But if you are in the Tampa Bay area, because I'm still trying to grow this kind of my local presence as well, do come out, because I want to see some people there. Y'all get to see this car in person. But yep, so like I said, exciting stuff coming. Go ahead and subscribe if you do like some of that. But anyway, take care. Have a good day.